Welcome to this series where we are learning Tableau using Tableau Public. So continue with my channel and learn Tableau, and YouTube steps are showing me that you have not subscribed to the channel. Only 20% of the people who are watching the videos have subscribed to it. So subscribe to the channel so that you can get latest notification and new videos. Keep on asking the questions so that we can give you more information in upcoming videos. This channel is uh, meant to serve you better in analytics, and your questions will help us to serve you better. So let's begin the journey for Tableau. Hello and welcome to this video. We are learning Tableau using Tableau Public, and today we are going to discuss in this video how can we create the bubble or scatter visual. Basically we would like to create a scatter plot. Now to create a scatter plot is what we require is at least two measures, both on row and column, and we have discount and margin percentage with us. So what we can do is we can drag this discount percentage, and if you don't know how we have created this, so you can go to our previous videos and watch that. And I also drag margin, and now I'm dragging margin. Now I got a single row. Now to get the this one, you can make the line level data available, or I actually don't want the line level data. I would like to have the data which is available either at the city or the state level. So I'm going to drag city here, and city let me drag to the details. So now you can see, now this data is basically all concentrated out here, and we see there is this scale is starting from 0, which is right now, if you ask me, is not playing any role. Now I have the data which is there in this place, so this is not playing any kind of a role. So what I would like, would not like to see this data here. So what I can do here is I can go ahead and say edit axis, and inside the edit axis I can go ahead and say include 0 I can remove, and once I remove include 0 and I cross it, you will see some changes. So now you see this is much better. And now let's go ahead and remove 0 from here also. We don't need the 0 also here. Now we go and remove 0. Okay, so now you see this data is much better, and then if you want, you can fit it into entire view. We can look into this one. So now there are data. So now we can see that our margin is this quadrant and their quadrant. So we definitely would like to see some kind of lines out here, and see can we add the reference line. So let's see, add reference line, and reference line, let's right now what we can do is we say okay, average of this. So let's say have a line which is a constant, or we can have a value, or we can have average. So we say average of average. Now this is going to be a simple average. So we take, okay fine, we want a reference line, let it be margin reference line which is average. Now this is coming here, this is okay, this came as maximum. Let's go and edit reference line. This is the average line which we need, or median line we can draw. So now this is our we have now divided into two parts. This is our average line from the margin, and similarly we are going to draw a one average line which is for the discount, and this is giving right now the option for us for the average line. Okay, and it is giving per pane. Right now we require it on per pane only, and discount is average, and let's say okay. So now we got the 4 quadrants. Now what is good quadrant and what is bad quadrant? Let's understand for this. So this is basically high margin and low discount. So this is the best quadrant which we have. This is the high margin, and we are giving low discounts here. Now this is high margin, high discount, which is the second best thing for us to happen. Okay. Now third thing which is happening here is which is low margin and low discount. This is our third best, and the fourth best is where which basically which is our it's not for that is the worst thing. We are giving high discount, and this is low margin. Now one thing which I would like is I would like to swap this axis, and because I would like this my best quadrant to be here. Let's see, if we reverse it, can we get it there? So now what happens is this is my low discount and high margin. This is my best one, second best, third best, and this is my worst quadrant. And now we will, in some other video, will discuss when we will actually color these bubbles based on that. So either we take help of sets, or we create certain formulas, and we're going to do it because we will now require some kind of mentioning of these values to be, becoming at different colors. But right now we can do coloring based on brand. Okay, brand is too much of data. We looking at the city level data, so we can have a city level coloring, or we can have coloring based on, let's say, margin. Let's bring in margin, dragging both these. Okay, I've dragged these, but it's not going to happen here. So uh, when we come to set, we'll tell you that you can have two things. Now we got margin, and let's say size is from the discount percentage. Okay, but discount percentage, as we know, in our data, the discount percentage is not so much of variable, and margin already is there. So I think the better idea is we use gross here. Let's see, where is our gross? Gross sales in the size would be better, and I think color by margin should be there. So now at least we know these darker colors, and what we can do here is we can go here and we say this is red to green, and we only take 5 steps. So now this is pretty much of visibility of margin. Now right now we are creating a visibility of margin. Very soon we will go ahead and create a visibility together for margin as well as discount. But go ahead and try this out. We will we will improve upon on this visual when we continue to do our journey on Tableau, to show you different quadrants, and then how can we move these quadrant lines and all those. There are advanced concept around it. So do let us know what else you want us to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Get involved. Keep asking questions in comments. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of our new video. Keep watching.